Hello teachers! In this video we will demonstrate how to install and use ClassroomGo Locallan. First, teachers need to enter and open the download URL, as shown on the screen. Then, click the download button to download the installation file. The system will ask if you want to continue downloading. Please click Yes to download. Next, choose the download location and set the file name. Once the download is complete, click the file to run the installation. The system will ask if you want to run the file. Please click More Info. Then click Run Anyway. The system will begin the installation. Please click Yes. Then click Agree. Next, click Install. After the installation is complete, click Finish to launch the Locallan software. If there is a new update for the program, a notification will automatically pop up. Then click Update. The system will display a dialog box asking if you want to continue the installation. Click Yes, and the update will proceed. Once the installation is complete, again click Finish. After launching ClassroomGo's Locallan, click the text box in the middle and enter a name, such as a class name. After completing this, click the Activate button below to finish the setup. When using the Chrome version of ClassroomGo, click the Locallan icon in the top left corner. Then select the relevant local network from the drop-down menu. As before, when teachers have set up Locallan and open the iPad version of ClassroomGo, click the Locallan icon in the top left corner and select the relevant local network from the menu. When teachers start broadcasting, the Locallan program will display relevant information, including the teacher's email, course name, and the number of students receiving the broadcast. Teachers, give it a try now.